Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice lawn rake. Now if you've never used a lawn rake before, let me tell you, you're in for a treat. This is actually a really robust unit. It's a dual roller unit with nice powder coated steel that's going to allow this to roll dual directional. So this will actually roll both directions, which is nice. Some of them don't. And it does come in a couple of different sizes. This is a 30-inch width. And it has 3 pieces. Assembly is extremely easy. You're just going to go ahead and put one of these pieces in here like this. It's going to snap in place. Then you've got the secondary piece that's just going to twist in here. These handles are pretty lightweight. They're strong, but they are lightweight, and I can tell that it's going to hold up really well. I mean, that's extremely robust there. And then this piece here is actually 7 feet long. So I'm 6'2". To give you an idea, I mean, that's a long handle, but that's going to allow you to get a nice ergonomic angle whenever you're pushing this lawn rake across your lawn to help level out low-lying areas. I've got a lower area over here. I've actually got some sand that I've put right there, and you can see it's actually going to be kind of up in there. Now to level this out, really simple here. I can just push this across like that, pull it back. Don't even have to lift it. Don't even have to lift it. So what that's doing is that's filling any of that low-lying area, leveling that out. And this would work with dirt, work with sand to fill low-lying areas, and I'm loving the fact that it's dual. You can go either direction, it goes either way, and you could push and pull it without having to lift it up. This actually works substantially better than several other lawn rakes that I have demonstrated in the past because of that feature that allows you to do that. Allows you to run it across over there, and I mean that leveled that out just great. But even if you do have to pick it up, it's not extremely heavy. So this would make a great addition to anyone's lawn. If you're looking for a lawn rake, check them out.